Hey guys, this is Thomas, and welcome back to my channel, Better Mindset, Better Life. With the current COVID-19 situation, many of us have to stay and work from home, but doesn't mean that you will need to live off your savings during the current isolation. There are plenty of ways to make money from home and making extra during these uncertain times. So today, I want to share 7 ways that you can make money staying at home. And I will also share free tips to kickstart your home business, so make sure you stay until the end of this video. If this is your first time here, this channel is about financial growth and tips that you can save more in Canada. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell so you won't miss any important information. For this video, I will not talk about dropshipping, Uber, or using your basement as Airbnb. All my suggestions have low to zero startup costs and only require hands-on skill. And all the services that I mentioned, not only you can offer it to your local community, but you can also offer them across the globe. What we need is a computer, internet access, a platform that can receive payment such as e-transfer or PayPal, and you need lots, and I mean lots of self-discipline. I will talk about what it is, what skills do you need, how you get started, then I will give a score on how fast you can get paid, how difficult to pick up, and can this be a long-term career. So let's go. First, we're a virtual assistant. The idea is to help and coordinate with your client non-face-to-face. Take realtor for example. Every day they have to do cold calls, returning emails, setting up appointments, uploading to social media. So being a virtual assistant can save them time. You can charge per hour or per package, and pretty much you get paid as you served. The skill you need is more hands-on, but more importantly is being patient and pay attention to details. One of the places to start is through Upwork, a website for freelancers, or Whipple, our virtual assistant service providers. Overall, I will give a 3 out of 5, as this is more using labor for money instead of skills for money. And eventually, AI will take over majority of the administrative work, so I'll say this is good for short-term cash job. Next, we have audio writers. This includes transcriber, translator, or doing audiobook voiceover, more voice related. So yes, right now there are already auto caption or auto translation where AI is working on it behind the scene. But it's not perfect, so there's still a huge demand given so many people are using social media now. This needs to be practiced, but should be able to pick it up in less than a month. Places that are recommended will be ref.com or TranscribeMe. Can this be a long-term career? I don't think so. Same as the last category, eventually AI will take majority of the workspace, so I'll say 3 out of 5. Number 3, video editors. There's a huge demand for editors. Take YouTubers for example. Usually for a 5-minute long video, it takes 4 to 5 hours to edit. For the same amount of time, they can focus more on the content and the planning. AI is still primitive at this stage, so 90% of the editing work has to be done manually. And you can charge a higher premium as you have more experience in this industry. And generally speaking, I think it's easy to start, but difficult to master later. For myself, I absolutely have no editing background skills, but I was able to pick up the basic editing in less than a week. Upwork or Fiverr is a good place to look or apply for an editor, or simply send a message to the YouTubers that you like to see if they are hiring. And for the editing program, I find Adobe Premiere Pro is very powerful and user-friendly, and I will attach the link below. Number 4, graphic designer. Similar to video editor, for this one, it helps the clients to get their thoughts into visual. So like thumbnails for YouTube videos, pictures and quotes for Instagram, or poster for their webinar and landing page, to help your target clients to save time and attract more leads. For thumbnails or banners, I recommend Canva. Very friendly program to start with. A few clicks and you can have a very catchy YouTube thumbnail. Upwork and Fiverr is a good place to start for hiring, but a good idea to have your own portfolio first. I'll give this 4 out of 5. This can be a long-term career and you can charge a high premium once you're getting more experience. The next 3 are more related to your own IP, intellectual property. It will take time to develop and much longer time to get paid. But in return, the compensation is way higher and can develop a lifetime career out of it. Number 5, writer. We have the traditional writer, like book and blog writers. High level of language and writing skill are must. Grammar, spelling, structure, creativity are all essential. You can write and publish your own masterpiece, or you can help other people to write their book and blog with their own thoughts. Either way is something you cannot be replaced. Therefore, you are paid by the skill and able to develop good career out of it. The other one is copywriters. Copywriting is an advertisement writing. Things that you see on landing page, advertisement, social media posts. The point is to make sales through words. The audience is usually in thousands or millions of people, meaning you are helping your clients selling to millions. It's very different compared to traditional writers. It requires different sets of skills. Copywriting focuses on how to pull the readers in, turning them from a lead to a sale. Lots of entrepreneurs are doing their business online and they are desperately looking for good copywriters. So I will give this a 5 out of 5. Number 6, tutor and consultant. They're in the same category because the ultimate goal is using your own expertise and knowledge to solve your client's problem. There are tons of subjects that you can provide your input. Music, language, writing, to human resource, marketing, business structure. The key is what are you good at. This job requires different set of skills such as problem solving, communication, critical thinking, and these will take time to develop, but they are all transferable. As long as you can solve the client's pain point, you can charge any premium. Another great thing is every client is different. They have different pain points, so you will not be bored. Right now, you can offer one-on-one non-face-to-face service or host a webinar to teach a group. Zoom is a good non-face-to-face meeting tool. It's free to use. Craigslist and Fiverr can be a good place to find clients. I'll give this 5 out of 5 as well, as you cannot be replaced and you can create multiple income streams. The last one is influencer, such as being a YouTuber. The potential in this sector is extremely high. Lots of people start off as a hobby, then turn it into their full-time job. There are 3 major directions that you can start: education, information, or entertainment. The great part, there's no limit what you want to share, anything that you love and you can share it to your community. And the income does not just come from the advertisement. You can receive income from affiliate commissions, donation, sponsorship, side selling opportunities. But for sure, this is the hardest of all. It takes many skill sets to develop your audience: researching skills, editing skills, graphic skills, writing skills, public speaking skill. So I would say this is the most difficult out of the 7. But this will get paid the most and you can develop a lifelong career and receive passive income. So I'll give this 6 out of 5. Let's do a recap here. 1. Virtual assistant, saving people's time. 2. Audio writer, using your ears and voice. 3. Video editor, using your visual. 4. Graphic designer, attracting people's attention. 5. Writers, selling through words. 6. Tutor or consultants, providing your expertise. And number 7. Influencer, selling your personal brand. No matter which one you're interested, and here's my advice. First, do your research. Go on YouTube, you can find all the answers on those how-to videos. Second, for the first couple of jobs, do it for free. You can get experience out of that and see if you like it or not. Also, you can build up your own portfolio and client's testimonial. And lastly, it's very simple. No matter which path you choose, you will face challenge, fear, and discourage. But just do it. Step out your comfort zone one step at a time. And I want to say it again, that working from home requires self-discipline, organization, and a lot of focus. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll put all the websites linked that I mentioned down below in the info box. If you find the content useful, please hit the like button and share it to your friends. And leave a comment below. Tell me what you want to know more. Right now, with the COVID-19, the healthcare capacity is reaching the limit. Please wear a mask and keep your social distance. Do your best to stay at home. People from healthcare are staying at work for us. Please stay home for them. This is Thomas. Stay home, stay well, and I will see you in the next video.